Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to start with the topic creating a new blank presentation. So, first we will read out the steps that how to create a new blank presentation. After that, we will see it practically that how it is possible. So, follow the given steps to create a new blank presentation. First, you have to select the File menu button and then click on the new option. And you will see that a dialog box will appear. Open a new slide by double clicking on the blank presentation or by selecting the blank presentation and click on the create button. And you will see that a new presentation with the blank title slide is created. So this is how you can create a new blank presentation. But if you want to change a layout, if you want your presentation to be look in a different way with a new layout, then it is also possible. So for that you have to click on the layout button which is available in the slides group of the home tab to select a layout. So when you will click on the layout button from the home tab, you will see that several layout templates will be displayed. So for them you have to click on the desired layout which you want, and you will see that the layout will be appeared in the blank slide of the PowerPoint window. Okay, so now let us see it practically how it is possible. So first we will see that how to create a new blank presentation. So first of all you have to click on the File menu button. So this is the File menu button. When you will click on the File menu button, this drop down menu will be appears in front of you. From that you have to select the new option. So this is the new option. When you will click on the new option, you will see this dialog box will be appeared. From there you will see the first option is a blank presentation. You can double click on that blank presentation to open a new slide, or you can select this blank presentation and you can click on the create button which is available here. Again I repeat, first you have to click on the File menu button, then from there you have to select a new option, then you have to see a blank presentation. Double click on the blank presentation or select the blank presentation and click on the create button which is available here, and you will see that your blank title slide will be appeared here. Your blank presentation will be created. So this is how your blank presentation will be created. Now next we have seen that if you want to change the layout, if you want your slide to be appeared in different ways, then so you will see that in the home tab. So this is the home tab. In the home tab you will see a layout button will be available. So when you will click on the layout button, you will see various layout templates are available. So you have to select the layout which you want. For example, here the person have selected two layouts, first and second, and so you will see that these two layouts will be appeared on the screen. So this is how you can create a new blank presentation and how you can create the layouts of your choice. Okay, so this topic is finished of creating a new presentation. Now let us move towards the next topic, that is adding a text in the slide. Now already we have created a slide, we have created a blank presentation. Now we will see that how to add a text inside it. The various steps to add a text in the slide are listed below. First, to enter a title in a slide, click to add the title. So on which button you have to click? Click to add a title. It will change to a text box. The cursor will appear in the center of the box. So here you will see that when you will create a blank presentation like this, button will be there. Click to add a title. So if you want to create a title, you have to click on this button, this box. Click to add a title and you will see that it will get converted into the text box. Now you can write it. Type the text and format it in the same way as done in Microsoft Word. So when you will click on that box, a text box will be appeared. So here you can write the text which you want. So you can type the text. So here the person have written my subjects, and you can format it as we format it in Microsoft Word. You can change the font size, you can change the font color, you can change the font type. Okay, so formatting you can do in your way as we have already done in Microsoft Word. Now add the text in the other text box. So you will see that one text box was click to add a title and next text box was click to enter the text which you want. If you want to write something, you can write it in the next text box. So you have to add the text now in the other text box. So this is the other text box. So here the person have created the list of the subjects. So first the title is my subject and the subjects written are English, math, science, social science, Hindi and computer. So like this you can enter the text in the next text box and again you have to format it according to your requirement. Now click on the add notes pen to add the information which a speaker can use during presentation. Okay, so now you have to click on the add notes pen. So this is the add notes pen. The last pen you will see here that you can write anything. The last text box is available. So this text box is used to give some notes, to add some notes, to add some extra information which a speaker can use during the presentation. Okay, so this is how you can add a text in the slide. Adding the title to your slide, adding that some text or some message to your file and also to add a notes to your file. Okay, so with this we are finishing our class today. Let us quickly revise what we have studied today. So first we have seen how to create a blank presentation and then we have seen how to add a text to your slide. Okay, so now the next topic is adding clip art to your slide. So about that we will discuss in our next class. For now, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.